Hi everyone, my name is Naima Ramirez. Welcome to our first walkthrough of Factorial Biomechanics. To begin, you just need to log in. You can do that with any email. You'll receive a message with a link to authenticate. The easiest way is to use your Google account. After you log in, you'll be taken to the Analyze window. Using Factorial Biomechanics is very easy. You should already know that this is a free AI-enhanced web platform for biomechanics analysis. To begin, simply load a video from your computer by clicking on the Choose File button. The video will appear on screen, and you should see an empty graph at the bottom. Let's click play and see how the movement is being tracked. As we press pause, the data loads into the graph. Here we can see the center of mass and the joint angles through the time elapsed in the video. Cristian Escalante is almost done with his lift. This video is from last year, but he set a Pan American record in 2007 with over 400 kilos. I see there's a lot of information in the graph, right? So we're just gonna double click on one trace to isolate it. For example, the center of mass. We can see different faces here, and if you click on them, you can go right to the moment in the video where that is taking place. Here you see him getting into his starting position, getting into place, getting ready to lift, and there you see the peak of the lift. Look at that. If we click on the peak, we can see that it's as high as his center of mass, the purple dot, goes before he gets under the bar. You can step back and forth with the keyboard arrows as well to make sure this is correct. In terms of the graph, here I can decide what I see and what I don't. In this case, I want to include the knees because they follow a similar path to the center of mass. The angles, as you see them today, are in 2D, calculated as you see them on screen and dependent on the camera angle. In the next couple of weeks, you'll have access to the 3D angles as well. So to start your analysis, all you need to do is load a video, press play, check the traces you want to include in your graph, and let the system load the data. The graph is not loading live yet because we're processing close to 1 million data points per minute, and it might affect your experience. So now we've gone over the basics, let's see some details. If we want a PNG of the graph, we can simply click on the camera on the top right of the graph, and that will automatically download the image. If you want a still from the video, you can right-click on the video and save or copy it to another program. You can also click on the purple camera in the bottom right corner of the window to download a snapshot of the video. This is great for reports, papers, or short messages. The main and easiest way to export your analysis is to just click on the export button. Here, you'll get the graphically augmented analyzed video, and you can choose to add raw data as a JSON file for databases, and an SVG image file of the graph with a higher resolution than the PNG. Here we show you how you can select, using the slider included in the graph, what is your zone of interest. Here we're selecting from the setup to the lift, then just click export. You will see the selection replay, and when it reaches the end, it will download automatically. See? Depending on what you've selected, your downloads will vary, including or excluding any of the items. You'll get augmented video, you can have the SVG graph, and the JSON raw data file. We'll have raw data files available as CSV soon. If you need it, let us know so we can prioritize it. And that's it. As I said at the beginning, it's very easy to use. If you have any questions, comments, advice, concerns, or an interest in collaborating, please let us know by emailing hello@factorialbiomechanics.com or sending us a direct message or commenting right on this video. Thanks for watching.